October 7th, a magnitude 6.3 earthquake has hit western Afghanistan, killing 14 and injuring 78, with predictions the death toll could rise after reports of landslides and victims being trapped under collapsed buildings. According to the United States Geological Survey, the epicenter was 24.8 miles or 40 kilometers northwest of the region's largest city, Herat, and was followed by an aftershock with a 5.5 magnitude. Crowds of residents fled buildings in the city about 11 a.m. local time as the quakes began, lasting for over an hour. Women and children stood out in the wide streets, away from the tall buildings in the moments after the first quake. According to a USGS preliminary report, hundreds of fatalities are possible, significant casualties are likely, and the disaster is potentially widespread. A map posted on the USGS website indicates 7 earthquakes in the region, with the magnitudes varying from 5.9 to 6.3. People are out of their homes. Houses, offices, and shops are all empty due to the fears of more earthquakes. In June 2022, a powerful earthquake struck a rugged, mountainous region of eastern Afghanistan, flattening stone and mud brick homes. The quake was Afghanistan's deadliest in 2 decades, killing at least 1,000 people and injuring about 1,500. The country is frequently hit by earthquakes, especially in the Hindu Kush mountain range, which lies near the junction of the Eurasian and Indian tectonic plates. Afghanistan is already in the grip of a grinding humanitarian crisis, with the widespread withdrawal of foreign aid since the Taliban returned to power in 2021.
د موټران شوړې د اوس سره قرار شو